Alright, what's going on? I cannot, for the fuck of me, get this picture quality perfect. But we're going to do it anyway. The whiskey, the ice block in the whiskey is melting. We're going to go through all of the, if you're not doing anything else on your Saturday, like myself, taking it easy, resting, relaxing, keeping fit, keeping healthy, and maybe just a quiet one. Got the Glen finish. So what I'm going to do here is just go through the current watch list on ByBit. So that's not the one. ByBit leverage with the Binance. Look across, and then we're going to screen these altcoins, looking for anything that is tradable, anything that resembles an uptrend or a downtrend with a 200-day moving average. So I'm going to keep it super simple. What I'm looking for here, just this time around, is an altcoin trade. A simple one to go through where we put the moving average on 200. And we're just looking for things that are over or under. So over the white line, the 200-day moving average is an uptrend, and then under, like this, is a downtrend. So this is a downtrend, and then what we're looking at is we're looking to range it. Hey, we're looking to range. So we'll fuck around. I'll draw some ranges and that. It's got all the settings on. Just looking for the big ones here. I'll do weekly. I'll get rid of the weekly. That'll help us make some ranges potentially. So what we're looking at is we're looking at range highs with liquidity grab failures, like this, for example. So this would be a short signal, right? So what would happen if we were back here like this, and then we would go, oh well, it's a downtrend because it's under the white line, and we draw the range here and see how it's gone up and then close below. That's a short signal that we're looking for, and we're looking for the opposite on an uptrend. So I'll make this a bit more prominent so we can see it. Pink, thick, hard line, motherfuckers. All right, so we'll just cruise around like that. And then if we find something that we like, we can go over and have a look at what's going on the derivatives version of it. And then also just muck around and keep this on. This is Spaceman's BTC key levels, but it's just key levels for the timing. So current year mid, yearly open, quarterly open, previous monthly highs and lows, something like that, because that helps with the conjecture. I think that's the right word for it. So let's cruise down. Let's have a look. If anything is looking strong, or in a downtrend, or weak in an uptrend, and we're just using the 200-day moving average. So just doing that sort of shit. Like this, for example, this would be nothing, because see how we're looking for. So we're looking for range lows in an uptrend or range highs in a downtrend. Range lows in an uptrend, range highs in a downtrend. I'll look for some more good examples, would be nice. We want to see range highs in the downtrend. So for example, if this was, we continue to see, we draw the range along all these pivot points along the top here. Bullets, go like that, see, like that. And we've just had that liquidity grab, the failure. It's fully, you can zoom out a bit and it'll look like just a complete wick. Like, let's go to the weekly. Look at this, ready? Just completely 1 week, and then just completely hit all these stop losses on 1 inch on ByBit. So we're doing ByBit because that's where I'm trading. That's currently my trading platform of choice, right? So just keep cruising around looking for some altcoins. We can do a bit of commentary on the altcoin itself if anybody jumps in the chat or anything. I'm not expecting anybody to, but you know, because second live stream ever probably, or third. I just keep enjoying myself, chilling, a little bit of water too. We'll just cruise through these altcoins, fuck around, hang out. What if I can share the link? Yo. Let go. Let go. What's concurrent mean? To the sweet, sweet. The sweet, sweet. Where's the tune's gone, my boy? Here we go. Oh, fuck. That sort of sweet, sweet love. Here it comes. I can't get no sleep. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, here we go. Where are we? Aave. So we're looking for altcoins in an uptrend on the range lows, or altcoins in a downtrend on the range highs for shorting. And we've got the key levels here, Spaceman's key levels for conjuncture. Fuck knows that word. Look at that. That is fucked up. What is this coin? Action. If anyone wants me to look at any coins, there's like nobody on the stream at the moment, but fuck me. I gotta do this more actually. Altcoin's just been getting away from me. Oh. Wow. Fuck. So that's an uptrend, huh? That is an uptrend. It's one of the most ugliest fucking charts. I don't even know if I can fucking... Alright. So that'd be a range low, right? See all the see these like monthly open, quarter mid, all these areas here, sort of telling you like, oh, range high, range low, just because they're joined in. But you can see it. Like I've just gone off fucking 7 years of dragging these parallel channels out. You know, just you draw these lines, you draw these ranges. But yeah, holy shit. That's ugly as shit. I sort of want to pretend that I've never even seen this, to be honest. I think I'm gonna. Anyways, AGLD. I should have fucking CoinGecko on here. CoinGecko, just in case you want to have a look at that. But I don't. Not that one, anyways. That was fucked up. Holy shit, these altcoins are fucked. Algorand. Is that Algorand? That is Algorand. Man, you know, honestly, I've just been trading Bitcoin. I've just been a complete Bitcoin maximalist, and then just jumping on any good trades that we get in the group. But fuck, been a minute since I've not looked at, like, I've just been looking at the ones in the group and then a couple of like large caps. But these ones like Algo and shit, holy shit, they're beat down. That's beat as a mother. That's beat as a. I'm not gonna say it. Beat as a house owner. Holy. Yeah, so it's downtrending. It's downtrending and it's on new lows. Man, when are these altcoins bottoming? Holy shit. Imagine if you held this whole time. If you have held these altcoins this whole fucking time, you are a madman. Like, who bought Alice at... Who bought Alice at 28 bucks? Oh, it's just such a big money deleter, eh? And these cunts that make this shit walk away with so much of it. It's devastating, but honestly, dare I say the only way is up. It's not. Alright, so these are all starting to look the fucking same here, but that's what we're looking for. We are looking for anomalies like this. Fucking oath like this. Look at that shit. Look at this shit. See this shit? Only we want to buy like here, right? Range play. You'll see and then potential upside because it's a fucking uptrend. That's 200-day moving average. Price range, like even buying here on these wicks or having orders set on these wicks, which I just might do to up here. Look at that, to the top of the range, 17%. Catch that on 5x leverage. There's near 100. There's near equal 100. So what we'll do here for me personally, you probably won't be around for it. I'm just gonna set an alert. And entry. I am not setting any buy, like just blind buy orders on this shit because Bitcoin nukes. It's like what a waste, huh? Ape. Fuck. You know, like these ranges. API 3. You can see here, like, boom. See this? Boom. Boom. Like, I don't know if that's clear to use, but butts. Just boinging around. Potentially accumulation, really. But, like, if the price was here right now, or even just like this red candle, it just closed. It's hard when you're so zoomed out on the daily, really, isn't it? But I mean, yeah, it's a short. That candle close just completely engulfed it. It's a short. I just don't like my risk to reward now that it's diving in. It's not what we're looking for. We're looking for some freaks here. Where the freaks at? Ooh. Been fucking uptrending or ARPA. I'll just have any of them these days, eh? Is this fucking... Can you even see this shit, honestly? Video quality is just like... I mean, it's down below the 200, so it's not what we're looking for now. But, like I said, you want range highs, which is not where it is. This has been just going sideways for so long, but you want range highs, which is basically along here. That's range lows there. So it's just middle of the range, hitting 200 resistance. I should delete these, otherwise this is just going to be so irrelevant next time I come around here. Holy shit. Fuck, man. Ugly as hell. Big lower high. Yeah. Atom. I remember when Atom used to be something that was worth listening to. When it talked. But now when you look at that price, you're just like, shut your mutt. What the fuck? Is that saying daddy? Daddy. That's range lows, right? Look at the wicks. Look at the basing. Audio. Potential. What the fuck's that? Westpac consumer confidence change. That's got to be a bug. Yeah. Yeah, see, you can't touch these with a 10-foot pole because they're just fucked up. You probably have where's all the where the bullish divergence slots at? What's this one? No. I was looking for like low, low, and then low, high, low on the RSI, but if you zoom out and we start looking for it, you might get it if you've fucking got that bias. Looks it's getting closer and closer, but that tells me it's got a little bit more to go down. Anyways, I should keep the RSI up just for shits and gigs. Everyone loves the RSI, right? It's fucking what is it? The beginner's toolkit. Oh fuck the BBWP off at the moment because we're not really using that. Psych. Looking for blue bars, people. Alright. Just keep rolling on this daily. Oh, man. It's a punter's dream. These lower lows. Just for a fucking punt. But not for nothing more than a punt. Alright, I'm gonna have to change this to red because we are so bearish right now. Fuck, this thing's cooked as. Man, where's like the rune at and stuff? Balancer, man. Well, these are all ghosts of bull markets past. But it was here in 2017. Bat. The dude that created Firefox or whatever the fuck. Ooh. Ooh. What a fucked up chart. Bitcoin Cash. Oh shit, man. Fuck. Oh, you want something to fucking break above that, right? Like, because like, let's just think about opportunity cost here. How many days are we looking at? Like date range since it started here. 71 days of like, oh, it's flagging. It's gonna break out. Gonna catch the bottom of the flag. Yeah, fucking. You're nearly dead, mate. Love a good whiskey. So, what am I going to do with this? I'm going to add an alert. Exiting channel. Entry. Once per bar close, thank you. I'll be a bit more generous with the bottom one because I don't really want to hear that. Man, that's some low volatility, huh? Nico pen. Bico pen. Is that a pen? BNB just like slowly dying. Oh. Holy fuck, these range. So like what this is, right, is just like a monster of a range low. Look at that. Let's get the date range on this bitch. Nearly a year and a half. Dude. I mean, like I said, for the punter, straighten this up a bit. Look at that. This is ByBit though. It's a lot more volatile, but this is a highly liquid coin, BNB, so not that volatile. Can only be so volatile, dude. It's like either like a range low. Oh shit! Waves of tiredness and also not. It's like a fucking. either a range low play or like the start of complete death spiral, like breakdown, like retest, like it's kind of the deeper. Holy shit! Oh, this is that coin that we were looking at. It's like got the worst website I've ever seen about some sort of game. And I was like looking for a short here. And it was just so like, or maybe it was here because it wasn't working. The short wasn't working out. I'm pretty sure I got stopped out. So I think I was looking for it here or lower high, something. Can't remember. Something. It was a while ago. And then finally like seeing it down here, I was like, someone sent it to me. And fuck you. Would have loved to take profit if I was there, but holy shit, boy. Who the fuck is buying this? Next, let's do it. Break it up a bit. BNX. Binary X. Old, yeah, like old. So there's two. On Binance Change. Good. Website Binary Pro X. Hey, look, there's someone's been on the website. Someone's changing some shit. Where's my words so I can eat them? Well, I've used everyone's fucking money to do something at least, huh? The GameFi ideas come to life. It's a fucking rhino. Well, this looks complete. Well, I guess that's the old, wasn't it? PC browser. Project Matthew Cyber. Let's Cyber Dragon. Let's go. Viruses. Fucking, what is it? Norton. Come on. No, McAfee. I'll miss him. He was the fucking loosest cunt when it comes to crypto. Holy shit. Anything he tweeted. He was like the best Elon Musk. Who even is there any more that when they tweet on comment pumps like a celebrity there? I didn't think there really is any. It's just like Elon, but man, he does not even hold a torch to McAfee, honestly. If you were around when in the McAfee heyday, I think it was 2018, and when he was in crypto, look at this shit coin, joke. But it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Similar gig, right? Man, why do I get fucking tired all of a sudden? Sorry, boys. It's like range low, but under the moving average. So it's like a range low play or start something bad. Where's these altcoins that have had like a random deviation pump in a death spiral or pull back with the rest of the market, but still in an uptrend? That's what we want. That's what we want. Fucking hiccups. That's what we want. Bullish divergence. Whatever. Bit of math. These altcoins look the same. If you're bored shitless, lighten up, cunt. If you're not, hang around and we'll see if we can find an anomaly. That's the whole thing. Like people that go to the effort of this sort of shit, they come find the treasures. Who's outside? I'm just going to quickly have a look out the window. A lot of noise coming from out there. Bit of commotion near the ocean. The dryer slips too. Bit of blisty, where it at? Gone. I'm just like failing from you. Don't hate the chappy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Windy as shit today. Heaps of sun. Maybe I might speed this up a bit. CVC was good. CVX. Oh man. Just if you see a chart like that and you think, oh, good time to buy, stop. Dash. When like everybody goes through those stages of like coin tribalism, when you think there's a coin that's like really good and that, and then you like want to jump on its team and fucking yada yada yada. Mine was Dash. Like around here. Yep. Was good. Twas a good time. Mine was Dash because digital cash, Dash. Digital cash, Dash. Nobody's here, so I'm just gonna fucking do whatever I want. Where's the party at? No, I'm coming back in a second. Here you go. Alright. This is Saturday, so just taking our time, right? Because it's not working. No way, what the fuck was that? Doge at 6 cents. Generational buying opportunity. Dot. Where's all the fucking... Man, that just hugs it, doesn't it? The IDX. That's an interesting chart. See, it doesn't close above the 200. Like, not for like months and months and months and months and months, like 5 months or something. It just does not close above it. So you can set an alert on this as well. On closing. Crossing up. Per bar close. GYDX entry. See if we get a close above it, Oh my god. I thought engine was doing good. Oh no, that's injective. INJ, not ENJ. ETH. What's there to say about ETH? I can't believe it went down like that. That's all I got to say. What the fuck? That's just got to be the biggest short squeeze, honestly. Like, what else is it? Wouldn't mind shorting that now, to be honest. Even though, yes, it's above the 200, but look at it. It's like fuck, it's clearly a downtrend. Look at that shit. Look at, where's the price range on this? So in one day, it did 159%. Yay. Yay. I'm just saying. Yeah. It's not so bad. It's just, honestly, I think it's just a shit time to look at altcoins. Because they're all just doing the same shit at the same fucking time, you know? And like, we want to short this shit. But under the 200 was sort of the rule. But like, I mean, fuck, you see that and you're just like, You know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean, but like you see this, and then you see these candles engulf, and then like look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 red days, then 1 green day. It's like 9, like you know what I mean? Like so much a sea of red. Like all I need to see is 3. Just close below these wicks. You zoom in here, you get a nice little range. You get a close below. That's a short. Such a short. I don't give a fuck about that moving average. It's the most the most popular moving average there is 200, so that's why we're using it tonight. But this is a really good indicator of a fucking downtrend, an uptrend. But look, lower high, 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 lower low, lower low, lower low. That's a fucking downtrend. I don't need a white line there to tell me what it is. But we're practicing good behavior for the stream, right? IMX. One of the few projects are like, oh, now we're talking. Here we go. You got a RSI that's just hit fucking year highs, basically, except for ones. IOTA. So who knows where the range high is? Would it be there? It's on most pivot points, you know. Look, neaten it up a bit. Messy. Touch, bang, boom. Pretty ugly. Pretty fucking ugly range. It's a lot bigger as well too, you know what I mean? Boom, boom. That looks just like another lower high. It's a good risk to reward. That is extremely hidden bearish divergence. So lower high looks like potentially getting made. I'm probably going to short this. As soon as the stream ends, this is a daily chart, so you got time. Let's see if we can get the 5x on it. What's the... Oh, yeah. Look at this shit. Ages away. Where's IOTA? I fucking do this shit again. I've done it a fucking million times. I heard you say. I heard you say. I heard you say. I heard you say. There is finance. Now I'm fucking pissed. Nah. Where's the fucking... There we go. There it is. One day. Oh, it's got some open interest too. Yes. Look at this shit. See that shit? See how that was rising so heavily in May? And look what happened at the top. Corked cunt. What, B green, B green, B. That's a fucking, that was a, what is it? Long shot. See, the funding rate acts differently with these altcoins too, mind you, you know. Like, there's the short squeeze, heavily short. And then as soon as you get one flash of green, that's enough. There's not a whole lot to report on the old funding rate, which is unfortunate. Let's see if we got any liquidations. But that open interest is climbing. Few liquidations. Heard you say, I heard you say. few licks on the shorts. See that? Boom, green bar, boom, green bar. It's probably got honestly, it's probably got another big leg in it to get above this. I wouldn't be surprised at all. I'm going to look into this more. I'm going to look into this more. I'd love to see like a heavily green funding rate. It's trending up though. This is the hourly chart. See, look, it's just basically been up the whole time. So I'd like to see a little bit of deviation. We can zoom in. What's the stochastic look like? Ah. Oh. IOTA. Anyone else remember IOTA? What's going on with the tunes, dude? Oh man, like there'll be so many stop losses above here too. See, like comes up, heaps of shorts here, and then bang, hits all your stops. Comes down, goes just below where all those stops are. It's just like stop hunting everywhere. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes and just wicks up above here. It'd be such a good entry. I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm gonna sit on this one a little bit. Like, know what I mean? Da, da. I want to close. Homeless. Breakdown would be nice. If it's not just one big red candle, which fucking almost guarantee that it will be. Catch it on a 4-hour candle close would be nice. Crossing to the downside. Alright, so there you go. That's the number one candidate right now. Is an IOTA short. Everything back on here. I think so. We're good to go. See, like you can get like a little bit. There's a top here. It's like above previous sort of breakdown point, but yeah. See, look at these lows. Like I said, punter. Like step up. If you're a punter, step the fuck up. Leaner. Look at these huge moves. Huge swing. You look at this at like a weekly or something. See, like low. Yeah, weekly's too zoomed out. Obviously looking for something here, so it's a bit of a bias, but low, high, low, high, low, high, low, like higher, low still. So it's a strange looking chart. The more I look at this though, like the more I'm like, am I looking for longs? You know what I mean? Market could definitely pump. If this was still above, if this was like here, I'd be in for a long most likely. If the price was still here, this range low, so you can see like a bit of a range low here. Go, you know, see all these like, see these lows like boom, 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 pivot points, pivot point, pivot point. If the price was like here right now, just like, or wick down and then close back up here, that would be the buying pressure that I'd want to see for a long. But you gotta really, really impress us for a long right now after looking at this shit. Here we go. Another short, eh? It's not a bad range. Like we zoom in a bit, look. It's a short. Fucking oath it is. That's the wick we're looking for. Below that, I get stuck into these after iota lit. Alright, that's what you're looking for. What sort of price movement have we have? Price percentage have we got? Yeah, it's heaps, shitloads, 27%, as opposed to a stop loss. You know, you'd like it above this wick here. It's up here, obviously above the previous one. Get some nice 7x, use a bit of 7x leverage, 6x leverage. That's good, man. That's a good short. We'll do the we'll follow the protocol. La da dee da da da. Lit entry? Is that what it is? Yeah. Dee da da da. Oh. Gotta zoom out. Gotta zoom out. Oh. Show me. Oh. Who's long in this? I mean, obviously, they've done well. They've done well so far. Man, it's got... Fuck me. Is that right? That's weird. Just holds. Strange. Doesn't really see it like that. Pretty weird. I'm in. Fuck it. What's the liquidations looking like? We fucked up many people. Yep. A couple of thousand. Daily. Both sides getting hurt. Everyone sucks. Everyone's just getting shit on. $300,000. How much volume is on this? Pretty like, there's a lot going on the licks anyway, and the open interest. 11 mil, not too bad for like a random shitcoin. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Short. We'll just sort of zoom in and find the entry after the stream and that, but so far, you know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Like, that's a downtrend, and then look, change market structure and that. So, but you want to see, you want to enter. You want to enter like down here, right? Not while it's falling. Entry. Stochastic's heavy as shit too. A bit of math. Oh, I've got a bias on here because of the recent shit. I know how like cooked that email scandal is and that. You know what I mean? Were you like, if you were looking at that shit? Oh. Yeah. Me. I don't want a long, like anything just right there when it's like looking for a lower high. You know what I mean? But don't want to go against like the power of an uptrend. Even though I have a bias, so I'm just going to leave this one because I'm going to assume that there is things that I don't know about what's going on with this coin more than what exceeds the charts. So instead of just doing what you should do and just trade what's in front of you, I'm already poisoned with knowledge. And I'm just going to skip maker, right? So much risk, much reward in it too, and I don't really. I mean, like if you're a bull, you like that this liquidity grab and the close above. But see, it's in like the midpoint. It's like a median. If you were to draw like a midline in the dead guts of this range, probably draw it like right there, and it's not really like a great position for either short nor long. Oh, near. Remember that? Who lost money on near? Neo. Memory lane. Again, like, not really a great entry point. What the fuck is this? That's good. Would have liked to fucking catch it here. Look at this shit. OGN. You can clearly see like all these pivot points here when you drag this across. And then bring this down. That's a range. Quarter mids. Not a whole lot talking to us there, but that's a downtrend. That's a high. OGN. Interesting. OGN. What was OGN again? Does anyone remember what the fuck OGN was? OGN. Origin. It's a lot of open interest, eh? That is a lot of open interest. Not as much as that, though. Where these yawns come from? Fuck. Don't actually feel tired either, which is a pain. House music. This playlist is. Phone's about to go flat too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, yeah, I like that. I like that too. I'd like it a little bit higher, like because if you zoom in, it's gonna be ranging at that top there. Like for example, see this. I'm gonna go in further. Not hunting. I don't want any, like I wouldn't want to short anything that wasn't in this back in this area here. Do you know what I mean? Like it's like you shorten like if you even if you zoomed out again, it's like it's made a high, it's gonna make a low, and then it's gonna make like a lower high, form some sort of channel. You probably get something like that comes along here, so it'll grab like the bottom of this. See how it's like runs down there, and then you can be able to do that. So like be flagging, but it's just scraping the bottom side of the flag. I'll delete this so you can see better. It's like scraping the bottom side of the flag. So you want to short like, up here. When it comes up here, like along this top here, like that's where you want to be shorting, because it's just like heavily shorted right now. So this is another instance where I will go like this. And just set an alert. Give it a little breathing room. No, I don't want even that. I actually got to go lower than that. Entry. I want to see it before it happens. You know what I mean? So it's like probably there. That's cool. Let's have a quick look at that funding rate too while we're Origin. Yeah, see, shortage of the shit. It's starting to get longed again now. So that's just like derivative price pushing, like no spot. Like that funding rate's fucking gnarly. Minus 1.4. It's ridiculous. So it's been like so shorted. So like all these people are like in shorts right now, and a lot of them would not have taken profit yet. And then you just get like a big fucking angry green candle. It just shits on them. And it comes back up to like here, above these wicks and above these candles. Let's keep moving on, but I'll write that on. Oh no, I'm not. It's not really. I got the alert. We've got the alert. Where's the? Holy shit! That's so far away from the moving average. OMG. Man, anyone around in like 2018 when like I've had a mind blank. Vitalik Buterin was like going getting photos with the people at Singapore or Malaysia, the OMG guys, shaking hands like this. Memory lane, eh? Gold. Man, gold looks like Bitcoin. People, Q-Tom, Reef, Render. Man, like I said, range low, comes down, wicks down, closes back up in the range. Where's that? Not seeing anything worth longing at all. Rune. It's a weird fucking chart, really, isn't it? You know what I mean? So like long, anything down here like a wick, close, but can go either way. It's fun because there's so much momentum. Let's have a look at Rune over here and see how it's been performing in the derivative market. I bet you there's been a fuckload of liquidations and all that. Thorchain. Where's all the open interest? Open interest, man, honestly. It just goes so. When it's low, see how that's like high, more open interest than it's had for like a year. You know what I mean? That's like a telltale sign that something's going on. Funding rate. I'm interested to see this here. Oh. Well, that's probably why it's had so many legs. Holy shit. This huge amount of aggressive shorting here is what caused this candle. See this like ridiculous amount of shorting in one day, because this is a 12-hour chart. One day, this here, all these people shorting here caused that. They caused that. A lot of people short. A lot of people still trying to go short here. I wouldn't be surprised if this has another leg up. Honestly, if Bitcoin allows it, wouldn't be surprised at all. I should set an alert because I could fucking jump on this. Easy. Risk is easily defined. You know what I mean? Can you hear the music, or am I just fucking singing to myself? Sand, dead. Crying shame. What the fuck? I'd get on board and just short that. Look at that for a fucking range. For like a 2.5 year range. It's just basically sideways. Look at that. I'd short that. I'd short that for fucking shits and gigs. Fucking oath. Is it going above this? Like, that's a lot of liquidity cleared. I'd like to see this one too. Nearly cracked an hour. SFP, baby. So it is safe, pal. Safe, pal. Safe, pal. Wow. Oh. Man, the market's so short, isn't it? The market's so short. Everywhere we've looked, it's been like, you know what I mean? Because like most of the time, there's more people longing altcoins than there is shorting them, right? But people are so confident at the moment. Well, altcoins have been beaten up for like the fuck. I mean, like, can't blame them. I mean, I'm looking to short them myself. Count me in, boys. Fuck it. Fuck everything I was about to say. Yeah, that's not bad actually, because you see how it's like, so like as the funding rate is getting pulled to the center, that means there's a lot of spot demand. I'm talking as if it's Bitcoin. There's fucking no spot demand for this crap. Well, the other scenario is people are just genuinely trying to start longing it now because it's like one of the only altcoins in a bull market. Defined a bull market by above. That's too loud now, isn't it? By above the 200-day simple moving average. Not how I define a bull market, but how probably most of Wall Street does. Fuck virus. And no, just some house playlist for your Saturday. But as this starts going green, right, people start longing up here at the top. That is on for sure too. Alright, SFP is already on there. Wrote that down just before. I'm not looking for no alerts with that. I'm just fucking gonna like YOLO it with a small amount. Later. It's not too bad. It's not too bad for a short either, but like the volatility and the upside potential is just massive because of what's just recently happened on the chart. Solana, my boy. Well, it's not my boy, I got enough to do with it. Nearly done. We're nearly done. Anyone that's fucking going to watch this, I doubt it. Don't know if I would. Tomo, mate. Holy shit, what a bounce. Who's buying this? Someone's buying this. Ballads. Who the fuck is buying this? Man, that right there is a nice entry for a long. See how it comes down? There's obviously a range low. And then breaks down, reclaims. Held by the moving average, like right here. This is a week ago. That's the long end. That is the long entry that we were looking for. We'd be up fucking 20-30% already. Right there, right here is the long entry that we've been looking for, up 20%. Just gonna have to see if it decides to come back down and join in. Entry. There's a long for you. Same shit. Same shit, pretty much. See this? See these wicks? Comes down, comes back up, closes, heads up. Tron. But I'm not going to do that one. Why? Not telling. Waves. A little bit higher. A little bit higher up around here. And that's a short. Oh, you pull me fucking leg. You just watching me talk to myself and set alerts. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I hate songs with like those bongos in. XRP. You're kidding. You're kidding. Look at that. That's a clear out and a half, that fucker. This has woke me up. I'm going to bring this up just a touch higher. And I want to be told about this. I order you to alert me on my mobile device when we get another try of this horizontal range low right here for a long. Yeah. 10:30, baby. A lot of people betting on Ripple. Obviously, this is one of the higher open interests that we've seen. Even though it's low for Ripple, hey, you know, when this starts coming low, that means there's not as many people in the trades. That means, depending on what the funding rate is, green. That's right. That means that more people are. Oh, zoom out a bit. More people are aggressively long on Ripple still. But not that many of them. Not that many of them because the open interest is low. Yeah. So when the open interest is high, and then the funding rate is green, you use those together. So like times them, open interest by funding rate, and then that means like there's a lot of people long, like here. So like funding rate green plus like huge open interest, there's a fuckload of people long, and that's why they've just been grinded out, profit taking, and idiots that fucking didn't put stop losses on or put stop losses on under here. That got hit by that. That's literally a stop hunt. Literally. So it's not so bad now for a long, you know. It's just like, this needs to go a little bit lower for people to start shorting it. And that'll be a good long entry. And that's why we've got the alert there. Nearly done. What the fuck? Yeah, no way in fucking hell I'm touching that. And 1 minute 5. See you in the blockchain bulls. Link in the bio. There we go. IOTA, lit, SFP. There you go, mate. There's the 3 trades. See you on them. See you on them. See you next weekend. And we'll see how they look then, eh?